Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to model one very simple and basic cartoon character, and then I'm going to texture that character, and then I'm going to animate the texture of that character. Very simple sphere character. Anybody can model that character. So let's start. Hello friend, that's it. So this is our cartoon character of a little sphere. So this is one texture, this is second texture, this is third texture, this is fourth texture, this is fifth texture, this is sixth texture. Like this, we can animate the textures of the character very easily in Blender. So this is a cute character I have done in Blender. Very simple and basic character. Like this, we can animate the textures. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.